ahwefo yemamo akwaba de ba Ghana nsensem so se de amunim dada no ade be chi bia no ye de nsemfoforo bremu ye se ade chi ne ante asemfoforo na te se ye chi enti ye de asemfoforo na bremu media ne lapiji mi na medi dwumadi ehu chi ame one rich flex enemy producer no Mr. Same blogger ono so wa ha se ene ye wo digital rasta senior cameraman currency ono na ochinchim camera no ma bibia efe wa ha se ye senior producer the CEO Emma Jumedi ni nyina no e friend Same Flex Same Flex de bia yetu chema yambo hwi ne enko insensem no so na yenhwe se dia ne ama eko no na ye de students via me show video bi na me hwe video no ade ne ye me ya like ye me mobo Emma students no anything omo set camera esi ho omo ye students be 4 and omo set cameras esi ho camera esi ho na omo gina camera ni nim na omo kan kwasasem keke nkwasasem be na we bisa se we nkwasasem be na omo kan e as a student because me say age no in a normal sense no age I was the VSS 18 enti sisi ampo de so ate aba em 17 16 po enti ni say uye 18 undu 18 ye na unwie SS ya na wakwa akofa phone wa set camera si ho na o kan kwasasem e kire Ghana man nkwasasem ankwala yi ko kan ni so mo students be 4 say 5 ena ba ko ni de ozo no e magajia o na e gangalia ino gina camera de o de wobutu wankasa ena o kan adwen aden a o say e man no mo de virginity asin omo ye virgin omo ja tum so omo ye virgin omo man me man omo have sex no enye fine now like sex kakre bia me man omo have no e na omo de virgin katakata omo nim no ema girl no ba ko e boy draw bi din post no two say dem me I don't really know them e draw ni din because we are less than 80 years years less than 80 years na unim sa e draw we are then what are you trying to tell who ni pedua na wo kasa asem no den na wo pa kire na de me mobo ne say ni maame be hu sa video we ni maame adamfo bi hu sa video we school ni so authority e be hu sa video we obe he so kran so onu na e bia ye bu ni say oye student correct student e wo school mu ho normal ba be gina no mo kan kwasa sem say e che Ghana man and then no video here we unhu sunsun and remember this video will never fade off because internet there is very broad. The more we share no almost na spread it baby ukofia example mponi say bia hwe say why exams no one pass ukofia then na catch your parents wasiba no one pass here what will your parents tell you and I said then number you how would you yourself how would you feel because the examination paper natural what's the results ni near the video no so chewa so your consequences of your video no and only results no you see so whatever we do no mommy enjoying twice we are under 18 and look at what we are doing see as a show abrabo ye na ye de ese as a student SHS student and my school ne kra na me like my ferry school nimpo because of the uniform so na yes ade or the uniform. It's almost nim uniform, no nim the badge of that school in Yinano. They will see it. And it's very bad. Mugu school in Masakeke. Yes, a good parent in Masi. Yamfa Lucy and Yamfa Asenfo.
Okay. Imana, Mosori, I'm the virgin Katakata Munisu. Oh, I am a memani. Oh, why? Namu, I'm one a bed. Oh, a day. Mumudi kids away. Mama check your half, and Mama chat this kakra na ede.
It's even as if they'll never after they don't let them eat, so they'll get some stupid boys.
Post no two baby busi na into girls so much so unima.
Yeah, to us wa. Me sanhwe another video bi after say Nanado we release His Excellency Nanado we release ne ambulances no. Me ka say ne ambulances we release Ghana my ambulances no amaye no me hear video bi na me hear video no say the na for jubilate for that ambulance na ye dey abro mo no omo bodwa na man for paper car no ho na man for dem say urade da ben na ben na Ghana man ye before ya adwemu bebie mu sika na ye de ato ade na brewo no ade no kura nso ya sisi waka ho no e na weni age just because you are affiliated to the party. Hey Ghana man illiteracy pa beku yen o send me wo we na mama we be 100 cedis say fato mpaboa 2 and 3 bremi na say to 2 and 3 bremi a okoya wakwakoto your friend is saying mpaboa 1 abremi 1 hour bremi no o say expect say me I will jubilate over 1 hour the bremi no. What about the infasona akano and I scanner akano insesa na akano? What about it? Does it mean say me de minimia me pe ana na mami abriwe bi agye mu dendende na consequences. Oh, one ambulance, one constituency no na we ni agye na obo sisa no. That ambulance back on the crown 877 one area say nka se so to baby am gine ikra no choba only choba area ni mu kran sa ambulance 877 ha nyina mpo 877 ha kra to talk of a constituency na ba district na ba area nka se area region. Oh, Ghana for pan there that ya adwumu be bie there na chewu na che nipa ni sisi no you are also jubilating over sisi no dey ma no mun question say na me pa cho o pa che say Ghana man sika ye we ambulance no ba ko pe eni e betimi enya we constituency one makra o say go timi ma be 5 ambulances for each constituency say na wasn't go timi ma when timi makra no wasn't go timi provided 5 say China na any business me like I'm not doing too much comparison of that but say coronavirus eba na say China almost 7 days see hospitals almost providing almost 1,000+ beds hospitals ama that way no Wuhan say Wuhan that way no city no almost provided 1,000 beds within 7 days. Now ambulance have been releasing now we release ambulance it do over 4 years or so over here 3 years after na we release ambulances now ye the abani amount back so for your constituency we ni age ho e na wo bo se e na do to ma pepa oh into Christ never can say na be Christ never say na be by penifo ne de nyame e na be kan asema mai nyame ne be kan asema mai di ehwe video no na emra isia say dia mama ni jubilate na yama oka ba ko we ni age wo ya ehwe video ni emra isia. Dada masi na sada no vote no ene be kire kokomoti we na ede be se djuma no dia ye di be twato ye entertainment industry no ohima bi ewo mo se friend ohima Hazel as a Queen Hazel oye kese kakra ni modu the voice so clear otonyum fine na baba wa we meni so no on pese like ne hu nsem be wuda say attention and no show say the okano so ye no crew and no crack na still attention on the here because ababa we ko interview e wo TV Africa now within the interview no or say or person focus on her career and host the visa and say na o patche or person focus on your career say no see you dey tia okasa and say onu no within a day no onya 17 to 20 orgasms a day asin ne ho ba onya feeling bi say also or like or have sex like bibisa within 17 times within a day no sa no sa feeling no nya nti ase e man concentration nyina eni en shut down calling you so because on timi pie bebre en koye ne rounds niam e wo so ye about the music career no because me kai say the last time bi o ka say o te car mu na say car no hiti in a portal kra na like a man is some feeling bi e man like ni husane it's due to that no sa 17 orgasms na onya no within a day no because of that no ko twa ne clitoris ye ka say clitoris a oba na kosu akuma no in school no ye che say oba na kosu akuma sa clitoris no e na ma feeling no eba it is a okotwa akosu akuma no ade na ma feeling like a man feelings ne ba no okwa kotwa sa clitoris ne free ho okotwa sa akosu akuma no ade na e wo ho no ma no mu husane no okotwa sa de ne free ho na me say we been say nordness no before is it trocosi or some female circumcision then yeah and no omo no mu twitwa sa me say no for na omo tie sa de say the way I say on champion fa o gire chi o say hukum chi o say then bibi bebrebe na I don't me refi sa ne ma no social studies a che me refi ba me say bibi sa na ti it is a onye no na enye wo so like it's not your culture say was so clitoris then I don't see the reason why Obeka say oh like when you 17 orgasms a day in no kwa clitoris. Why don't you consult a doctor? Not unsure there was say oh yeah maybe on my medications via a bit me release this anyama no a bit me calming it down than say Obeka say who go clitoris. Me I see it as a stance still or the pay hype say Ghana had there unya ye bibi kito you say hype and as a wudi no so called down kakrana then you have to do something to revive it. So to me, you know, that is how I see it. But okoye so yemano ni trim kwa say onko na enye successful. Now otwa emane ntontwene onfa be kire Ghana mani ehu se we twa onfa to transparent we bi muni ehu se okay okoye no ade no ko twa enini. Na on twa picture ne clitoris ne vagina no twa picture no onfa be kire yen. Ne ehu se ampa we twa ne engindi. Bound to say all this clitoris number chain there. Me am Gina Hay there. Ghana and same host there. Forget it. I don't go believe. Me see there's how much hype in your money there. They came. Me Gina Pio. On to say me who results VHS okay. When a Gina Soma and Pampa or the yes I we when and Pampa a results of or mu break up. Let's say medical mu break up. I want to say mu ba ako be introduce you a new guy and I say new girl and they forget it. I don't go believe. Until when so the NSA. One fact clitoris na me chain they want to moon that yen jindi that I say nti the video no kan sa asem no e be kire mu sisi ya na mo nti mo hwe video we na yembra.
So the time I save from what I sell, the profits I get. Even now we'll be leaving the country like for 2 months. I'm going to cut off my clitoris just to be able to concentrate on my music career.
You are going to do what?
Yeah, cut off my clitoris. Yeah.
I don't get it. What has your clitoris got to do with?
Yeah, like basically I have issues with it's very, very sensitive. So like it keeps taking my concentration off music. Like I'm hyper when it comes to, you know, this is TV, I can't say everything.
No, you can say it, feel free. This is video right. I mean, don't worry
okay,
about that.
like I really want to bounce back to the music scene. Like I think most of the time I go off and on. I have other reasons why I don't get.
What are the reasons you go off and on?
Oh, okay. Are we going to talk about?
We are talking about you. Don't ask
Larry.
me. Are we going to talk about?
Okay.
We're talking about.
Yeah, that's it. So what in kwata se moka. No. Nyansa se ma no. Ba me say there. Me ento adwin ento me ga say ento adwin mo say I don't know how to put it, but once o hwe video na wa hwe video no we tie dia waka no ozugbo ze dia waka no dia ento asum nti no ye dem ase na dia di twato no e ga say yembo yensem ema atichafo etichafo ya de pan wo ya sitine mu ayewoyi obeye ye ni unye ye nyina no efiri foundation school aye de obeko sometimes you can say oh ebia everyone say school end determine or success but school so sometimes determine success because in kentisa in kemfa ye nkwada and I say ye ma enko school boarding just because of the foundation that we want them to get. Wow, say oko private SSR you respect sir, but oko private primary, private JHS, private nursery yebu, oko private university yebu sir. Just because private SSR you feel say they one passing with JHS we you know examination intina wako apply for SHS private school in the FAO. Oko private university so yebu ni say bia oh when we OSS no one pass it any FAO e private university because e bia wako tie bi kakra. Na video bi a me share na teacher ni bi wabɔ ne ho modern na oba besia o osa na odi achia etre student ogina omochi na chese omonim e na osa e na say ye o say nkwala no so bom nsem teacher madam omoboje ne so saa or yes anema we nyina just to release the tension of the children. Teacher ni bi wo ha ohu na wo yema hyew. Teacher ni bi wo ha ohu na we ni je me kai me JHS time na go teacher ni bi me protect teacher bi me bi asema ba me who protect ayaye who mental da sa teacher ni say lord me kai din pa say lord oye protect mental de bia so na me medwane fi ne class sa teacher wo mo me ni anje wo class what da because oba pe anopetutu protect mental me dem ka say maths na mental and I say bia English dictation bi but to the extent say be protect mental they na me who be that na teacher we back class like oh you too rigid oh ya make can asemi teacher ni be ya make can asemi say oh dia sache ni student yi na ni people do o mo yen kwala no mo boje ni so madam no so dey sa madam no che say o dey I read him no dey sa we nyina echi no na teacher ni be wie na ketu aye fie bi enso be doctor o be nurse o be soldier o dia person ye wi asem nyina no ejina teacher so say me gina ha ya me ye dede ya me kasa wo hwe me kra ejina teacher ni bi so na ma be gina ha say although say me the fie nyansa kan but teacher ni so am me say knowledge na I wouldn't know what is different between the camera, you know, how to stand in front of the camera and all those understand coming. Wow. Into the American say teachers no mumu yembu like let's respect the teachers. Yembu ye teachers. Me amijina say me nyame yem adom na be president a me can be say teachers be di pay asin ejuma bi e wo Ghana ha say. Teacher ni bi be di pay kese ati obi a because obi a doctor and no but still na ogusu ko school because say school no kono why na e chere na de ma why degree program and of person of feather no ko any masters why na e ko chere na masters no enye teacher nyia na be gina ni ma chere na de ama wa ko sa masters no ya president o mutiti inkonya so o mudi yesika nyafunyafu yi enye teacher nyia na e chere na de ma wo kopie ho but Ghana had die me nkasa Africa mpo ye teachers ni dey inform onye hwe ye mbuo mo hwe me fa teacher ni we nye example teacher Kojo a o san ye comedian any some teacher bi minim ni din but ono so o chen kwala asa e wo class e man recent ya ni people ba kokura ewuye na mobo keke because omo yes ane mani nyina the releasing kwala ne tension e man kwala ni ji school ho wo president we a ye president o makwa ba nyina o mu hwan na o ma ye ni ji Ghana say president we dey waba wa ma me ni agi Ghana ho dodo or be not even a single soul apart from Nkrumah kra no say nka man for ni gene hostela ngomu tu na ade so that means teacher ni ebetimi ama woni agi school ho onu anso otimi like obetimi ase wo aprabo kra now so still omunja kitia alawa kra ebe mo kra na da ne ntokwa iti ye hwe video we the we na oba no o sache nkwala yi na nkwala yi so boje ne so ni nyina no or the motivating kwala no o chine bi no kwala no kofia they will always be able to come back to school because akwala bi ni wo be person betene fie because of the way teacher ni no and in the relationship net no o man kwala ni je fine ntimumi emu teachers na yem me catch your president no nto o maketu emu mom na nye fine teachers na bre headmaster bi timi fie o minim pass as headmaster ni die nyame be shan because o timi to uniform say their way etina teacher Kojo ye na o timi to uniform che nkwala ni bi oh itimi motivate teachers no so no munye more ema people ni students no ya da masemu mi video we embrace sia Some of her video no. Some of say they call no. Oba besia teacher ni ababa wa fine lady a ogina nkola ni ma o jimi ne ho sebe. O jimi ne ho kire wo. Enye say ni pew but opese nkola ni gi school ni ho. Na o chi ne bi o mo sorry a o mo samba because me say edu baby no na school bi ana me ko risk ko feridia. Edu baby because of abai wo school mo nti na me mpe school mo ho akọ. Me kona me late 1 minute a ye be gwa me. Nti me later na makache mama se mi ko school na me mama atwe me kire afa fam sa na odi mi ko school me ye ya na me jai sa school na me ko school for it students teachers amaba no mo ma ye ninji school ni ho na ye so ye appeal to your friend say your president ye penyi for no mu tu market mu mama it mo teachers am so mo hwe sa video we mu sia mo amotiri ye din no mu sia enfri sa video we mu ye da mo se mo nyamre atena se na mo hwe sa video we insurance kamo that's an emushia yebium mediane lapigi me na medi djumedi ho chia me one producer one Richie Flex and I'm a cameraman the guitar rasta currency Mr. Samet blogger ono so ebo echidom e CEO Samet Flex me tu chema bye bye.